Like, I want to eat you.
Who is that? It's a chicken. Go meet a chicken.
Yeah, you're eating the chicken. Like, you know.
Who's that, Chip?
She's stuck. Why are you standing right there? Oh, she's stuck. She's nice. She's so friendly.
Cute. Oh, thank you, Lai. Chip, be gentle with her. Be gentle with her.
Mom, Jim is acting. Jim is acting like it's another doggy.
Just don't eat her.
Mom, Jim is getting wild. He's like, ow,
Just
ow.
don't eat.
Jim is so scared. Oh, Jim is like, ow, 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 ow.
What are you doing? Why are you eating the corner of the box? Why are you... What? Chip is a chicken. She's nice. She's nice. She's your friend, chicken. Is your friend.
Yeah, Chip, we have a million chicken friends. You're gonna get all
Stop being stressed out and eating your box. Look, what are you doing?
Look, you're not a dog.
Why are you... What is happening? Yes, meet her gently. Smell her. She's a nice chicken. Why are you being so stressed out, Chip?
This so protective. Bad. Get on my property. Wow, she went poop.
Chip, gentle. Okay. Wait, what is she doing? It looks like she's pooping. Just doing her thing. What are you doing? Be nice! Gentle. Why are you eating the piece of the corner of the box again? Yes, gentle. Chips. Are you trying to protect Luke from the chicken? Do you think the chicken is dangerous? Chip, chicken is scared of you. She's scared of you. She's in shock. Well, what you guys are doing? Gentle. She's scared of you. Gentle.